Hello and welcome back to another MLB The Show pack opening video. Today just got some standard packs, some ballin' as a habit, a couple of silver that will likely only have silver but just in case, some team affinity, some headliners, one all-star game and one field of dreams. So yeah, let's start with the silvers, just get those out of the way. Encarnacion and pool holes. So just going for diamonds and wow, double gold. I was saying diamonds and golds, and a couple of just the newly added commons and stuff. But I'm not actually checking the commons, I'll just check my collections later. Ozuna. So for the All-Star Game pack, I need either the rare round or the mid round. I feel like I pull this all the time. And then for the Field of Dreams pack, I still have a lot of things I need, so. Brian Roberts, Pittsburgh, gold. Trevor Story. Oh, so he is a gold. I was confused about that the other day. He should be. Alec Manoah. I've been pulling him a lot recently too. I think I'm 4 away from the 99 Shohei for that collection. Chris Bassett. I need both rare rounds for the All-Star Game. I need Lance Lynn from the mid round. And then I need both of the rare rounds of the Home Run Derby. Oh, that's a new uniform. Justin May's not on the active roster. Or not on the 40-man roster. Probably commented on that before. I don't know. So, why did they make Team Affinity packs separate from standard packs? Like, it's the same thing, is it not? No, it has the same odds, the same items. Like, the same options for the cards, I mean. I feel like I just got that one the other day. Justin Turner. Just realized I have the TV volume on. I don't remember how I have my mic set up, but it might be so you can hear it anyway, but still. Mount Castle. At some point I'm going to get around to actually going through all of my duplicates and selling them. Yeah, I think I had everything over, or from 70 and higher done, but not the rest of the bronzes and commons. Diamond sponsorship. Forgot to check what it was. Fraser. Dansby. So now 290. Yeah, that's a great deal. That Orioles one is funny looking because like just the face is too big for the body on the hat. Most of the time when I'm commenting on the batting practice uniforms, I'm talking about the hats. Just because like those are what's most interesting about it. Evo. So we haven't had anything really new yet. Maybe maybe one of the bronzes or commons. Besides free agents, like I've seen those a few times. So no new golds or diamonds yet. That's home jersey. Last standard pack. Team Affinity. White Sox. Batting practice jersey. Oh. I don't think I had seen what the Yankees one looked like. Alright, follow me with a habit. See if we can get... Ooh, Trevor Rogers. I think that's the last Marlin that I needed. Adam Engel, because I'm hitting him all the time now. Charlie Morton. Berrios. Castellanos. Double gold. Yu Darvish, Josh Bell. Nola. Huascar. Edmund. Schwarber. Last pollen is a habit. Let's hit something here. Darvish. So, 2 chances at Donaldson. Longo. was a diamond. Purple. Right-handed pitcher. Gallegos. Got one already. Didn't check the headliner for this one. That's okay. Floyd. Grisham. Rizzo. I have that Rizzo card. Dylan Cease. And Kerry Wood. Alright, I'm gonna do the Field of Dreams first. So, Piazza, Grove, and Schmidt. I have the Schmidt. I think I have Dylan Betances. I can't remember now. I have the Bryant. I do not have the Betances. I think I'm gonna go Lou Brock here. And then, like I said, I need Vlad, I need Peralta, I need Lance Lynn. So don't show me the common round. It's the common round. 67, 7,000. Alright, that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.